Good afternoon, Russia, and friends from the other parts of this world. You are watching WOOD TAIWAN Digital Days webinar. I'm Alex Lai. With me, you have Jason from Jun Shiau and another Alex from LEADERMAC. We are very pleased to have this opportunity to share you Taiwan's woodworking machines and industry. Before our presentation, I'm very pleased to have Mr. Vinogradov from MKPPR. He would like to say some good words for us. Mr. Vinogradov.
Sorry, 你会给他 signal 吗？给那个 Nikolai。Sorry.
Yes, we shall. Уважаемые участники, уважаемые гости нашего вебинара, спасибо, что вы с нами. Очень приятно, что эта тема интересует вас. Мы проводим регулярно вебинары совместно с нашими тайваньскими коллегами. Мы — это Московская конфедерация промышленников и предпринимателей. Я заместитель председателя Московской конфедерации. Это уже, наверное, 4-е или 5-е событие, которое мы делаем вместе с тайваньскими коллегами, вместе с торговым представительством Тайваня, которое в Москве возглавляет господин Shih-Chang. Он сегодня перед вами тоже выступит. Предыдущие мероприятия были посвящены другим отраслям промышленности, медицине, медицинскому оборудованию. Мы также проводили в 2020 году очень успешный и очень большой такой форум, бизнес-миссию, в котором приняло участие более 30 компаний, более 100 компаний из России. Такой бизнес-матч, где тайваньские компании из разных отраслей искали партнеров. Это мероприятие посвящено исключительно деревообрабатывающему оборудованию, самому разному, в самых разных видах деревообрабатывающего оборудования. Отрасль, в которой работают тайваньские коллеги, она важна для России. Как вы знаете, продукция деревообработки — это существенная отрасль для России, важная. В ней занято огромное количество людей, работает огромное количество компаний, и обеспечение их всех современным, качественным оборудованием — это очень важный вопрос. Ну что ж, значит, у нас порядок будет такой, что сейчас будут и коллеги. Лай Жун Чунь, я правильно произнес имя, из тайваньского офиса, из Тайбэя. Выступит значит, господин Кен Чун Юн, глава представительства Тайбэйско-Московской координационной экономической и культурной комиссии, и господин Shih-Chang, директор московского представительства Taipei World Trade Center. Потом, значит, мы посмотрим несколько роликов, которые рассказывают о возможностях тайваньского машиностроения для деревообрабатывающих производств. И у нас будет еще время для того, чтобы ответить на вопросы. Некоторые вопросы нам прислали заранее, на них мы ответим в первую очередь, но в ходе вебинара мы тоже будем рады собрать вопросы, которые вас интересуют, и ответить на них. Также мы будем рады поделиться контактами наших тайваньских коллег, к которым вы можете напрямую обратиться по всем интересующим вопросам, уже конкретно касающихся закупок оборудования, поставок, может быть, какие-то технические вопросы, на которые на вебинаре мы не сможем ответить. Ну и вообще Московская конфедерация, она помогает предприятиям налаживать международное сотрудничество с разными странами, не только с Тайванем, конечно. Всего за прошлый год мы провели более 20 мероприятий с иностранными коллегами, на которых участвовало более 800 предпринимателей, и многие из них обращались к нам с благодарностью за оказанную помощь. Ну что ж, я тогда передаю слово Тайбэй. Магия интернета сейчас сработает, и перед нами выступит господин Жун. Тайти, I think it's time for Taibei to switch on and make a remark.
Thank you, Mr. Vinogradov. Thank you for your warm welcome and also good words. Hello, friends. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Vinogradov.
Сейчас мы будем. Что мы будем дальше? Но, по-моему, я последний час.
Yes, and the next will be our representative of TMECC, Mr. Gun. He will also say some good words for our good friends.
Уважаемые дамы и господа, дорогие друзья, здравствуйте. Для меня большая честь и радость принять участие в вебинаре «Преимущества и возможности тайванского деревообрабатывающего оборудования» и виртуальный тур по выставке WOOD TAIWAN от имени представительства в Москве Тайбэйской Московской координационной комиссии по экономическому и культурному сотрудничеству сердечно приветствую вас из Тайваня и России. Коронавирус не препятствовал торгово-экономическому сотрудничеству и обмену Тайваня со странами мира. Разные тематические выставки в очном или дистанционном формате регулярно проводятся на Тайване. Совет по развитию внешней торговли Тайваня и Тайванская ассоциация производителей деревообрабатывающего оборудования в этом году совместно проводят Тайванскую международную выставку деревообрабатывающего оборудования WOOD TAIWAN в столице Тайваня, Тайбэе, с 28 апреля по 1 мая. Поскольку Россия является одним из важнейших рынков для Тайваня, и многим из России сейчас неудобно выезжать на Тайвань, тайванская сторона специально организовала сегодняшний вебинар, чтобы познакомить наших российских партнеров с самым передовым и высококачественным деревообрабатывающим оборудованием. А почему Тайваню нужен российский рынок? Потому что Россия имеет огромный потенциал, обладает богатыми природными ресурсами и высокой покупательной способностью, и инфраструктура России стремительно развивается. А почему Россия нуждается в тайваньской продукции? Потому что тайваньская продукция отличается высоким качеством и доступностью цены. Я могу подтвердить, что тайваньские машины и устройства конкурентоспособны на евроазиатском рынке. А если говорить об обмене экспорта оборудования, приборов и инструментов, то Тайвань входит в первую четверку крупнейших экспортеров в мире, не сильно отставая от Германии, Японии и Италии. По валовой стоимости производства оборудования, приборов и инструментов Тайвань находится на 6-м месте в мире, что составляет 6% мирового выпуска этой продукции и 80% экспорта в 138 стран. Дорогие друзья, у выдающегося российского ученого и государственного деятеля, академика Евгения Максимовича Примакова, крылатое выражение: «Дружить со всеми странами не обязательно, но работать можно и нужно». По-моему, Тайваню с Россией обязательно дружить и можно и нужно работать. Давайте рука об руку сообща стремимся к тому, чтобы вывести торгово-экономическое сотрудничество на новый высокий уровень. Время – деньги. Мне не хочется переутомлять вас длинной речью. От всей души желаю вам крепкого здоровья, делового успеха и удачи во всех ваших начинаниях. Спасибо большое за ваше внимание.
Thank you, Mr. Geng. And the next is Mr. Shih-Chang Zhang, Director of TWTC in Moscow. He would also express greetings for our good friends in Russia.
Hi guys, my name is Shih-Chang, Director of Moscow Representative Office of Taipei World Trade Center, Taiwan's foremost non-profit trade organization. We are mission to service the business people in Russia and Taiwan for all trade opportunities. Today, I'd like to highlight 3 key points about our work plan in year 2021, strengths, opportunity, and access, in particular in fields of woodworking machinery. Firstly, you may ask, why Taiwan? The answer is simple and crystal clear. Taiwan has so many amazing wow factors within its manufacturing capacity and is capable to deliver quality products and solutions for the whole world and to the needs of Russia. According to World Trade Organization, Taiwan is world's 18th largest importer and 15th largest exporter in 2020. All thanks to the diligence of 1.2 million small and medium-sized enterprises. Numerous hidden champions or Mittelstand have been accredited as world leader by producing specific niche products. Let's take the small industry for example. There are at least 11 global largest factories in optoelectronics industry, such as Honghai, the world's largest electronic manufacturing service provider, TSMC, the world's largest wafer foundry company, MediaTek, the world's largest DVD and TV chip manufacturer, and so on and so forth, like ASE, Citronix, Macronix, Chipbond, ASUS, Acer, Gigabyte, and Eventech. Secondly, Taiwan has profound potentials in partnership with Russia in machineries. At present, Taiwan's machinery annual output reaches US 40 billion, and 80% of it has been exported. With the world's third best state of cluster development, Taiwan's machinery rank high in global supply chain, such as woodworking machinery, world number 4th, machine tool, world number 5th, textile machinery, world number 6, plastic and rubber machinery, world number 6, and shoe machinery, world's 2nd largest. Driven by digital transformation, Taiwan's woodworking machinery will definitely enjoy better competitive edges with a systematic integration of advanced technologies in semiconductor and ICTs. Thirdly, to facilitate your business with Taiwan, our headquarters has closely lined up its global network of 63 overseas branches and 1,300 specialists. Not only we welcome you to sell your products into Taiwan by participating in the famous trade show Wood Taiwan. Also, we are ready to invite Taiwan premium companies in meeting with you for joint ventures and strategic alliance. In this webinar, I am very pleased to present you 2 renowned Taiwan companies, the famous sanding machine builder, Sheng Shing, and a world-class 4-side moulder manufacturer, LEADERMAC Machinery. They are going to review their best practice on machines and field applications. To sum up, soon the darkest hour before the dawn of COVID-19 will come to an end. The market boom is expected from the second half of the year onwards. The spring is right now and here again. However, a single flower does not make a spring. Taiwan is indeed in need to partner with Russia for a new page of cooperation in woodworking machinery. And that 100% matches with the ultimate goal of win-win situation which Taiwan has been looking for in business with Russia. Again, thank you very much for being with us today and wish you all happiness, health, and success.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang, Director of TWTC in Moscow. In the coming minutes, I'm going to give you a short presentation about Taiwan's woodworking industry and also where we are, what we have made. So, thank you. Hi there, this is your host, Alex Lai. Welcome to join this Wood Taiwan Digital Days webinar. Though our trade show has been rescheduled to April 28, 2022 due to the pandemic, business and networking are still going on. In this Wood Taiwan Digital Days series, we will enlighten you with what makes us different from others, presenting our best to help grow your business. Since Wood Taiwan is dedicated to promoting global woodworking machinery, it is very important to know who buys machines. According to the International Trade Center, ITC's data in 2019, USA bought more than $1.4 billion, standing as the world's largest importer, followed by Germany and Italy. Emerging markets, Vietnam, Russia, were ranked number 4 and number 5. On the other hand, when we examine the supplying side, Germany pops up to take the lead with exports of $2 billion, followed by China and Italy. And Taiwan was the number 4 supplier of worldwide woodworking machinery. In 2020, Taiwan shipped $700 million more US. And I would like to elaborate a bit further on what kind of machines we've shipped and who buys them from us. Taiwan ships all kinds of woodworking machines to the world, from sewing machines to planing machines, sanding machines, veneering machines, and many others more. In the pie chart, you can figure out that we have shipped sewing machine the most, consisting of 44%, while that of molding, planing machines is 15%, and sanding machines 10%. And who buys the machines from us? The right slide shows you our top 10 destinations. The bigger the bubble, the more products we've shipped. For those bubbles in blue color, it means we are doing good in those markets, such as Russia, Japan, and USA. For those in yellow, the market opportunity is much better than our current performance. The market in Vietnam, Germany, and Canada fall on this category. You might ask, what makes us different from others? The main reason is we tailor machines according to customers' needs. Taiwan's machines enjoy a good reputation of high quality, reliability, and quick response to customers' demands after their sales. In this webinar series, we've invited heavyweight machine makers from different applications, presenting their engineering crafts and solutions. Wood Taiwan is a perfect venue for you to explore the cutting-edge machines. In the last exhibition 3 years ago, we had 167 exhibitors using 1,076 booths, showcasing their best products and know-hows, attracted more than 900 buyers from the globe and nearly 5,300 domestic professionals to network with their counterparts. The coming Wood Taiwan will be staged at Tai Next One. We look forward to your visit the next year in Taipei. Thank you. With this, I believe you have a better picture about Taiwan's woodworking industry. And the next, let me introduce Mr. Jason, his sales manager of Zhen Shiau. And Zhen Shiau is very good at making white belt sanding machines. And let's hear Jason's sharing about Zhen Shiau.
Hello everyone, welcome to my Zhen Shiau channels. My name is Jason. I'm a sales manager at Sheng Shing Machinery, Taiwan. I'm in charge of overseas markets and after service. I have more than 10 years experience of woodworking sales, and I quite enjoy doing my job and dealing with all sanding problems for my customers. Sometimes customers just like my friends, and I hope you will enjoy my PowerPoint and look forward to hearing from you soon. And let me introduce my company first. Zhen Shiau was founded in 1980s, and we are the first white belt sander has its own brand, Sheng Shing, to sell the world. And in 1995, we developed our new market in the North America. So we got a CSA certifications, and after 2 years later, and we got a CE certifications because we have a new market in EU. And also in order to improve our production lines, and we achieved ISO 9001 in 2002. And also during the market request, and we opened our third factories in 2007. And also we have another new generation brand, Sanderson, in 2008. And here you can see we have another brand, is Sheng Shing, because we have to distinguish our brands, Sheng Shing and Sanderson. So Sheng Shing is only for our heavy-duty machines. And here is our part of my companies. And this factory is only for heavy-duty machines. And we have a very strong global market so far. And you can see it, especially in Asia and North America. Actually, we know that Taiwan has very famous in furniture manufacturers industries, and we got a lot of companies in the world, and also we serve our sanders for them. And since 2000 years, and the Chinese market has increased hugely, and basically they choose the Zhen Shiau sanders for their first choice. And also we provide a lot of machines in Vietnam market. And also in North American market, you can see they are quite different because we know America has very strong DIY market. So we sell our machines and also OEM in this market. And in Canada market, it's quite different because Canada is like the Russia market. They have very strong timber or log market. And we sold is only heavy duty machines. And we sold some heavy-duty machines in Russia through our agency or OEM companies. And actually, we request all our agency have to support our customers first if they have any problems. And also, we have a very strong team to support our customers and our agency, because after service is send us your machines running. And here is the PSD series. I will focus on this one. So before we start, I will show you a very short video, and you can see how it works. And P, it means it's a planner and sander together, because after market request, and we put the sander and the planner all in one. And this one is quite famous nowadays in Canada or the Indian or the Russian market. And you can see this one we produce a wide ranges. It's from the 900 to 1100 until the 1300 millimeters width. And also this heavy cut diameter is 180 millimeters. And the depth of max cut is 4 millimeters. And also it has the 6 spirals inside. And in order to keep these machines running very well, and also for the safety reasons, and we designed a special device. It's the anti-kickback one. The photos here, you can see this one. And actually, I can say this machine's PSD is very good and suitable for joint panel factories. That's why, because from the photos you can see after joint panels, there are some grooves stick to the surface, and there are some ways you can work on it. But if you ask me, I will tell you the best way is use the planer and the sander machines. Why? Because if you use the sanding belt, you will lose your competitions, because much money you will lose, and also sanding belts are not durable. And if you use the double-sided planners, you have to buy one more machine. Also, you need more workers. But if you choose planner sanders, that is the best choice, because it's high efficient and also low cost for your companies. And when you run this machine, I think you won't get an earthquake feeling, because it's quite heavy. So we set up a stable fixed supporter for these machines. We have to make sure when you run these machines, its vibrations is very slightly. It's not like an earthquake. And also the spiral cutter head here, and we use the disposable blades for it. And it's very high good quality from the Luxembourg. And also each blade has 2 sides to cut. And when your one side is wrong, and you can change to another side. And you don't have to worry about the experience, because it's very easy to change. And here we also have the standard one. It's for SD, SB, or SP series. It's for solid wood, or for your veneer, plywood, and also for your UV coating. And this one, BSD and FSD, is for your production lines, because sometimes if you want to sand your button sides, and in the past you have to flip your bolt again. But here, the table fixed machines is quite easy to do it, because the first one is button sand, and then after the commit, another one is your top sand, and without any flipping or interrupting. So this one is perfect for your production line. And the SDH series is a high technology one. It's for veneers and UV coatings. And here is our machine base. We use the very strong one to support our machines. Otherwise, your machines, when you run your machine, you will get too many vibrations. And here I can say pressure rollers and plates. You can't find any second companies in the world has same device, because we create this one just only for Jun Shiau companies. You know, when your work pieces, it's not even. Sometimes it's like coupling or the bowling or like the banana shape, you know that one. And you have to press your work piece to even it. So we use the pressure rollers and press together, and we can make sure your work piece is even. And when you sand it, and you won't get any sanding through. And conveyor belt, we only use made in Italy because this one is quite important for us. If your conveyor belt breaks and you have to stop your production line, also you need to pay more time to fix it. And if you choose the good quality one, high tension one, and you don't have to worry about it, and it can use its performance has very long time performance. That's why we still use the good quality. It's truly endless conveyors from Italy. And electricity, we only use the Schneider companies so far. We don't use other companies because it's very durable and stable. And here has the one more, the sanding belt air jet cleaner. It's to clean your sanding belt when you run your machines. And the final one is brush rollers, because when you sand, and you will get much of dust on your surface, and you have to clean it easily. So thank you for watching today, and I hope you will enjoy my PPT. And if you have any sanding problems, please do not hesitate to contact me or send email to my company. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We thank you, Jason. My take in here is when you are going to make delicate furniture or you need very fine service on your wood, sanding machines is definitely the key. And the next will be Alex. He is Senior Sales Executive from LEADERMAC, and LEADERMAC is specialized in making 4-side moulders. And let's have Alex presentation. Alex.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm sales from LEADERMAC Machinery. Today, I represent our CEO, Michael Zhang, to do a short presentation to all of you. And our CEO, Michael Zhang, he is also the chairman of TWMA, Taiwan Wood Machinery Association. And my job is the business in Europe area, especially in Germany, United Kingdom, and Balkan area. And short introduce our company statement. Our company locates in Taichung, Dadu district, and we have a 25,000 square meters plant. We produce average 600 to 700 machines per year. And since 1972, we have produced over 15,000 machines all over the world. And also, we attend many world exhibitions like LIGNAT in Hanover, AWFS in Las Vegas, and IWF show in Atlanta. Besides, our local agents will attend the local exhibition for us, like in Shanghai, Japan, Vietnam, and other places. In addition, we will hold our LEADERMAC open house, which is in our factory, showing the hot products, latest design, and all the latest material and idea to all our customers. This is a chance for our guests worldwide to know LEADERMAC more, and also we want to have a better communication face-to-face to all of our customers. Due to the epidemic of COVID-19, we have to stop this event last year. but we are planning to hold the open house again next year in 2022. And our company has gained many rewards, especially on the design part, for Outstanding Products Award and Distinguished Products Award. And we have get these rewards in 2008, 2011, 2015, and 2018. And in 2019, LEADERMAC Machinery also gained the fifth potential Taiwan Metal Stand Award, which is a great honor from our government. This is all by our all employees in LEADERMAC. And our main products is the four-side moulder, which can do the four-side planning to the wood. Also, if the customer has the spatial needs, you only need to install the spatial cutter tool to do the spatial profile, and even to sew the machine, split them. And we do produce the whole life system if the customer has this spatial request. We have sold them to many countries as well. And this year, we also have one for our Taiwanese customer. And our company has the great advantage, like the supporting the globalized service for the fast part support. As we have a very big and complete warehouse, we can give the very fast delivery to all of our customers. If the part is very unique, we will also calculate the best delivery time to make sure our customer can have their machine keep going if there is a shutdown. And the second is we have a very strong scale service department. Our sales and technicians are always there, ready for support and serve for your needs. No matter the question, inquiry, offers, or any other problems you're facing during the manufacture, we can give a very fast and quick reply. And also, we have to mention our very modern R&D teamwork. They are producing, they have the very strong team which can analyze the problem receiving from the sales department. And also, since 2 years ago, we are producing the 3D drawings for our customers, which can give a very certain and also a very clear, complete view for our customer if he needs to know that if this machine fits in his factory. And also, he can see that how the wood is going through this 3D drawing and modeling. Our development goal is from traditional machinery to smart machinery, then to the Industry 4.0 system integration. To achieve the Industry 4.0, we need the dream set, which is released from our company, LEADERMAC Machinery. This dream set can collect the data, store the data, and analyze it, then share the data to the customer, help him to analyze the problem and to do the reaction. And this information can be shared cross-platform, and also there's a message center can handle all of this, so you don't need to worry that if your computer cannot load this big information. So first, if there's a problem happens, the data will be collected to the storage on the cloud. Then our computer from LEADERMAC will help to analyze it and to find out the problem, find out which is the point when the problem happens. Then there would be the analysis chart and table being done and shown to our customer. And this information can be shared cross-platform to all of the mobile device which you set, like the mobile phone, iPad, or the laptop. Also, all these kind of message will be stored in the message center, then would also send an email to your personal and business email address. And by this DreamSet system, we hope that we can help you business to gain the bigger success, to save the cost, to pursue the high quality on the products, and also to make the big business on your area. Thanks for listening today.
Thank you, Alex, for your presentation on LEADERMAC and also your 4-side motors. And now it's our fun time to receive the Q&A. And here we have the first question. It was, I would like to know about machinery installations and training. How do Taiwan conduct this for Russia clients now?
Здравствуйте, хочу узнать, как происходит установка оборудования и обучение в территории России.
Пати, вопрос ко мне, позвоните, повторите еще раз, пожалуйста.
Yes.
It depends on our customer's location.
Повторите еще раз вопрос.
This one is nearby to.
Они попросили меня сказать первым.
To do so, but if it's not, and we can through like a FaceTime or something else, for example, like the WhatsApp, and it's easy to communicate with the customers. And also we can do the whole installation and the training course. During this tough time, we got a lot of experience right now. So I think it's not a big problem. Thank you.
And also I would like to hear from Alex how to overcome this the lockdown due to the pandemic from LEADERMAC.
Yes, we know.
Yes, please. We have the translation first. Excuse me.
Okay, we know now it's a very hard time due to the COVID-19, and but we have the local agent in Russia, and they will help us to arrange the service immediately and to see that what's the request from our customer, and then to offer to forward the question back to our LEADERMAC Taiwan, and then we would answer accordingly, and maybe send the parts or offering the online support, and with the local agent, they can give a very immediately help to you. Thanks.
Yes. In short, our manufacturers, they are well prepared, especially for how to overcome such training and also the site installation.
Yes.
And here comes the next question. how long is the delivery time of a basic machine? And this time I would like to hear from LEADERMAC first. The delivery time for the very basic machine.
Okay. Our basic machine, the delivery time is 45 days. However, just like I said, because of the epidemic now, the international shipping has been seriously affected, and it costs like the material and also the finished machine container. It's a big problem now all over the world. So it causes a big delay up to 1 month or even more. So I would say that we have our basic machine can be finished in 75 to 90 days. Thanks.
I see. Indeed, right now the shipment is becoming one issue. How about the Jason, Zhen Shiau, how to overcome such a delivery shipment?
This is a big problem so far because the sea freight traffic jam in the world.
Yes.
And even though you have produced your machines, but it's quite difficult to get a container right now. And we try to ask several forwarders and try to book our containers for our customers as soon as possible. But even though we still facing this tough time, and for example, if in the past maybe we need 20 or 30 days, but right now maybe it takes more longer. So I think after this tough time, we should have overcome these issues.
I hope the maritime, the traffic jam issue will be fixed in the short future. And the next question is about the after sales service and the waiting time. And also I know Taiwanese companies, we are very, very good at the after sales service and how they achieve that. Let's hear from Jason first. After sales service.
Сервис слушаю, поскольку я знаю, тайванские компании всегда хорошо в после продажи сервис.
Okay, and we know that after service is very important for the customers. So we have a special team. It's for our customer service, for example, and you can contact by online or by the apps. And we can quickly respond, and we do our best for our customers. And sometimes if my customers, they need a spare parts, and also we can ask our local agent, or we can send from Taiwan directly to the customers. Okay.
And also LEADERMAC, how about your after sales service?
Ответ от Джонсан. В принципе, мы быстро отвечаем, мы понимаем, что сервис – это ключевой момент для клиентов, и у нас есть отдельная команда. В принципе, мы быстро отвечаем, клиенты могут связаться с нами через приложение «Связь». Бывает такой случай, что у нас также есть местный агент, либо мы можем напрямую посылать специалистов в Россию, чтобы обслуживать клиентов.
After service, let's hear from Alex.
Okay, for after service, normally we would first take the question from our agent, because they will help us to clarify that what the true problem is, and to see that if we need to send spare parts or maybe give some technical support. But because now it's it's a very, how to say that, a tough time. So yeah, we must use internet to have use like some app or internet communication software to maybe give some hint or even have the video confession with our customer. Yeah, because yeah, since last year, several of our customers have such questions, and we have tried several times, and it surely did help our customers. Thanks.
Ответ от LEADERMAC. Мы обычно через наш российский агент пояснить требования клиента. Бывает, что надо посылать запчасти из Тайваня, либо техническая поддержка с нашей стороны. В данный момент из-за пандемии все усложняется проблема. В основном мы через интернет выяснить вопросы и предлагать сервис.
Thank you. And the next question is for Jun Shiau. So Jason, do you produce heavy or light duty machines?
Yes, and actually Jun Shiau has two brands. One is Sheng Shing, another one is Sanderson. And Sheng Shing is for heavy duty machines, and Sanderson is for lighter duty machines. And we, according to the market, and we have a wide range of standards for the customers. And the heavy duty machines is for factories using, and Sanderson is a lighter duty one. Basically, this one is for DIY market. So we can achieve what customers want, and we can provide whole range of standards. Thank you.
Следующий вопрос к Jun Shiau. Вопрос такой. Ваша компания производит тяжелые или легкие станки? Ответ был. Наша компания имеет две бренда. Первый это Sheng Shing, второй Sanderson. Sheng Shing представляет тяжелые станки для фабрики, а Sanderson как раз для легких станки. Именно ориентируется к рынок сделать сам, DIY.
And the next question is for LEADERMAC. Alex, how can we use your dream set to get the information? I would like to know.
Okay, I think that our customers see my presentation that we have introduced the dream set, and it's a very big project that we are developing now, and we know that just like iPhone, everybody who is new to this, he would like to know how to use it, but it's easy because iPhone will set very simple and easy steps for the new user, right? And we will make it as easy as we can, and also we would attach the user manual for our customer. And if they have the immediate question, then our engineer can support it online. Thanks.
Следующий вопрос к LEADERMAC. Как мы можем использовать DreamSet LEADERMAC для получения дополнительной информации? Ответ был. Мы все знаем, мы постараемся упростить наши системы приложения. И в принципе, наше приложение так просто, как для юзера iPhone. Мы также представляем руководство пользователя, чтобы вы могли легко знаете, как с ним работать. Если вас вникают другие вопросы, наши инженеры могут поддержать вас в режим онлайн.
And the next question is, after hearing our presentations, how to get contact the information of us and the companies. And definitely if you are in Russia, Director Zhang, the TWTC in Moscow is your perfect contact, and he would like to give you the help anytime.
Hi, everybody. I'm very happy to receive this question. Actually, our office is always ready to receive all the requests from business people, no matter in Taiwan or in Russia. And we will be delighted to render the best quality of our trade service for everyone. So you are most welcome to contact our office and send your email to our account, moscow.taitra.org.tw. Thank you very much.
Следующий вопрос. Как после прослушивания вашего выступления, как можно получить дополнительную информацию, а также задавать дополнительные запросы к вам? Ответ от директора TWTC Jun Shiau. Он сказал, что давайте поддержать российская компания, искать подходящие тайванские производителей. Наш офис находится в Москве. Всегда рада обратиться к вам на помощь. Пожалуйста.
Thank you, Director Zhang. And I think this maybe the last question. And I believe it is a very good question. The question was, how do I know if a manual machine that is more like a traditional machine or a NC control that is numerical computer controlled machine is better for me? And you both can answer these questions to our audience. Alex, please.
Okay, thank you. Yes, the traditional manual machine or the NC control machine, this still depends on the demands by our customers, because we make the machine very customized, and it still depends on the products that which you man produce. Just take like the window frame or the photo frame, which is needs the profile cutting very often, because you may have many kinds of window frames or many kinds of photo frames. And then we would recommend you to have the NC control machine, because it will help you save lots of time on adjusting. Or you think that you just making the floor, which just need the straight cutting, then basic manual machine is very good for you, because it is very efficiency and economic. Thanks.
So Jason.
Подскажите, пожалуйста, как мне узнать, что мне лучше подходит ручной станок или станок с ЧПУ? Ответ от LEADERMAC. Это будет зависеть от продуктов, которые вы производите. Если вы производите профильные изделия, например, фоторамки или оконные рамы, то станок с ЧПУ поможет вам сэкономить много времени на регулировке положения режущих головок.
Jason, your comments.
Okay, I think Sander's are a little bit different because it can be used by manual or the NC types. And how can I say that? Because, you know, it depends on customer's fabrication area. If this one, it can be like the manual is single operate, or if you assemble our sanders in your production lines, and it can be controlled by NC system. So I have to say the sanders is almost the customizations. So we have to ask and look into our customers' production lines, and we have to more familiar what customers want, and we can do what we can offer. Thank you.
Ответ от Jun Shiau. Мой ответ будет немножко отличается к LEADERMAC. Это не зависит от какие продукты вы производите, а зависит от состояния вашей фабрики. Если вы собираетесь собрать линейку производства, то станок с ЧПУ будет как раз подходит к вашему решению. Наши марки Сендерса это именно может адаптировать под требования заказчиков. Поэтому все зависит от вашего состояния либо статуса на рынке.
We just ran out of the time, and thank you, Mr. Vinogradov, Director Zhang, and also all the audience online. We thank you and appreciate your time with us, and hope we will see you very soon in face. Thank you for watching this webinar.